What's up guys, I'm Lloyd and I am on the Gulf Coast of Florida right now. And when I think about coming here in the springtime, when I think about coming to estuaries like this, I think about one thing, and that's birds. So in my opinion, this is the undisputed epicenter of bird photography in North America right here. This time of year, the springtime, and specifically in April, it is absolutely fantastic. It is one of the most incredible and diverse places that we have in the continental US right here. There's actually a reddish egret coming around the corner right there. Oh, did you see him jump? It's probably like really small in that camera right there. But that should tell you something right there. I mean, here I am in front of a camera, waving my arms around, yelling and stuff like that to a microphone, and there's a reddish egret. That's what makes this place so amazing. That's what's so extraordinary about the Gulf Coast of Florida here. But the type of birds that we're photographing out here, everything's relatively small. That means that we have to be able to get down low when we're photographing these guys. So you have to remember that eye level is your default position anytime you're photographing wildlife. It doesn't matter if it's a grizzly bear or a tiny little ruddy turnstone that's running down the beach. You have to start eye level. Now, of course, we may make a decision once we're on location to raise our cameras up or maybe even get down a little bit lower if we so choose to in order to adjust and tweak the background. But first and foremost, we always want to start eye level with our subjects. But what that means though is that when we're working with really small or really short subjects like these wading birds, well, maybe not that great blue heron that just flew in there. That guy's, Jesus, he's probably like 4 feet tall. But everything else that we've got out here, when we're working with small animals like this, that means we have to be able to really get our camera down low to the ground. And in order to do that, that means that we have to be working with a tripod that does not contain a center column. For whatever reason, companies are still producing these things with center columns in there. The center column, the idea here is that we can raise our camera up higher and higher and higher beyond what the actual height of the legs of the tripod is itself. But in wildlife photography, I have never once in my entire life found a reason to get higher. But on a regular basis, I find reasons that I need to get lower and lower and lower. And so in order to do this, you have to be working with a tripod that does not contain a center column. That way you can extend the legs all the way out like this, and you can drop it right to the ground. Even if it's in the water or on the sand, you've got to be able to get your tripod down low, so that way we can create these beautiful, intimate portraits that you're going to see here.
When I said stop, don't move. When I say get it,